Jesus is an all-consuming fire. For our God is a holy, devouring fire. Hebrews 12:29. Fire and refining go hand in hand. And I heard the Holy Spirit speak to me that the fires of refining burn brightest in the furnace of intimacy. When we come close to the presence of Jesus, when we stand amid the flames of fire, when we stand inside the God who is an all-consuming fire, we are refined. Not through struggle, but through rest. When we rest in His furnace of great love, His fires begin to refine us and renew us and restore us. When we rest in the presence, we are polished until we are purified. The bride that rests in the furnace of Jesus' love is being lathered in purity for the day of His return. Often we want to struggle, we want to strive, we want to strain to become righteous. But when we rest in the flames of the all-consuming fire, we are refined. We are being refined. And the Spirit will keep on leading us back to the furnace of Jesus' love. Day after day after day, and darkness will begin to drip off us as that refining fire will burn until nothing else remains, just the beauty of Jesus that has transformed us into His like image.